Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share TikTok video to Messenger. To share one of your video from TikTok, just open your TikTok and this is one of the video, and here you will find this option of share. So I will just click on share, and once I tap on it, you will see a lot of options will appear in your screen. The first one is directly off the Facebook Messenger, right? So I've just added a shortcut, but if you don't get it, no issue, I will just show you how you can do it. So here you can just see a lot of options. The easiest method is copy link. You can copy this link, right, and you can go to Messenger. Don't worry, I will show you another methods too. So here, this is my Messenger mobile application, and for example, I want to share to this person, right? I will paste the link here and it's done, right? That person will get a notification and that person can view by clicking on this link. By the way, you can also copy this link and share it on any other platforms, right? And another method is just go to share icon here, and here you will get an option of Facebook and other application too. But here, this is the method which you are asking probably. Just tap on the messenger, it will redirect directly to the messenger. And for example, I want to send to this person, I will click on send. It's already been sent, right? As you can see here, this is a video. If you want to find any of your friend, right, you can just you can just search the name over here and you can just send to that person very easily. If you want to send to any group, you can also search for it. I don't have a group right now, right? So you can just also create a group from here. You can just write a message from here to hello, and then it will get sent to whatever the person you selected, right? I will just go back to my messenger and whether I will check that it's working or not. So this is here messenger, and as you can see here, that person I have sent this reel, basically this TikTok video, and that person can view it very easily through messenger. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.